Hey everybody, it's Felipe Miranda once again, your Southwest Florida Realtor. Today we're here at the Esplanade Lake Club. I'm going to be touring. There are 9 total floor plans for Taylor Morrison. I'm going to be touring all 5 of the models. I have 5 models available, which I'm going to show you each individual model. There's 2 estate home models, which I'm actually walking right in front of now. I mean, just stunning community. Very amenity heavy. There's going to be everything you can imagine, from poker room to a little beach area where you can put your foot down. There's also a freshwater lake which goes right into Lake Como, which shares with Miramar Lake. So you know, if you like boating, freshwater boating, this is a place for it. Just lots of things. I'm going to put some pictures up, but there's going to be a butterfly garden, pickleball, tennis, you know, all the expected things. There's going to be a boat ramp. So if your specific floor plan does not have water access, no problem. You can just bring your boat right into the ramp. You'll see in a couple of the models that I'm going to tour today, some of the garages have, they're basically built with a little option for you to store your boat. So they're a little bit deeper, which is pretty neat. If you want to go that route, I'm going to put pricing on all of the models here for you. And this is the Taylor Morrison side. There's also a Pulte side, which I'm going to be posting those floor plans as well. Those are villas. And there are actually condos coming up on the market pretty soon. They're not released yet. We don't have pricing. We're thinking they're going to be in the 400s or so. So we're going to have to stay tuned for that. As you can see, there's some construction going on over here. And this side of the street, these are finished. These are the luxury estate homes for Taylor Morrison. Location wise, guys, we're literally 5 minutes from the airport. Again, Gulf Coast Town Center across the way. Just great location. South Fort Myers, north of Estero, so it's north of Naples. If you're using Naples as a comparison, we're really close to 75 here, so we're shot down, or I should say a shot up 75 from Naples. But you're going to see, I mean, the options. Taylor Morrison's a great builder, have a great reputation. Their models are really nice. I think this is a great community to add to your list. Okay, if you have any questions, please again call me. I've been receiving a lot of phone calls for my videos, and I really love to hear from you guys. I really mean that. I'm doing these videos for you. You are never bothering me. Okay, never bothering me. It's my pleasure to answer any questions you may have about this community or really any other community. That's what I'm here for, to help you guys out on your home search, whether it's a new build or resale. But without further ado, let's go on to our tour for the models. What a beautiful community. I mean, this is just spectacular, just spectacular. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you have questions on any communities here in Southwest Florida, whether it's this one or really any other communities, or you want me to do a video, a virtual walkthrough with you, that's why I do these videos, guys. You're never bothering me. I really love it when you guys are calling me, asking me questions. That is really why I'm doing this, is to help you guys out. So I hope to see you in the next one. Stay tuned.